Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to record your HSA contributions on Form 8889 using TurboTax for your 1040. This is a full 2025 guide that makes reporting your health savings account contributions easy and accurate. Stick around because I'll walk you step by step so you don't miss a thing. First, start by accessing TurboTax. Open your browser and visit the official TurboTax website. Once there, log into your account by clicking the Sign In button in the top right corner. Make sure you're signing into the account where your current tax return is being prepared. Once you're in, navigate to the 2024 Taxes section on your homepage. This is where all your current tax tasks are organized, including federal and state returns. Next, click on the Federal tab. This will take you to your federal tax forms and let you organize your deductions and credits properly. Now select the Deductions and Credits section. Here, TurboTax will guide you through different areas where you can claim deductions, including medical expenses and HSA contributions. Scroll down to the Medical section. This is the area dedicated to all medical-related deductions. Look carefully for the option that says HSA/MSA contributions and click on it. This will direct you to the section where you can accurately report how much you contributed to your HSA during the tax year. TurboTax will prompt you to enter details about your contributions. Make sure you have your HSA contribution statements handy, whether from your employer or the HSA provider, to ensure everything matches your records. Once entered, TurboTax will automatically calculate any deductions or limits and generate Form 8889 for your 1040. Finally, review the information carefully. TurboTax will alert you to any errors or inconsistencies, helping you avoid mistakes before filing. Once everything looks good, your HSA contributions are fully and accurately recorded. And that's it. Recording your HSA contributions on Form 8889 in TurboTax is straightforward once you know where to go. I hope this guide made it simple for you to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another tax-saving tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.